Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where audio device is disabled on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution will be to enable the audio device. Click on the system tray and then you can right click on the speaker icon and then go to settings and then scroll down and select more sound settings. Now, whether it is the playback one or the audio one, right click on it and make sure that it is enabled. Now, right now it says disable, but if it was disabled, it would have said enable. Okay. Now, the next one is to update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and then update the drivers. And lastly, then the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to system on the list on the right hand side, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then click on the corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.